Yeah, for a budget e-bike, this thing has some of the features of a more expensive bike. I'm thinking about the cruise control for one thing, which I haven't used cruise control on this entire trip. Okay, pedal assist level 3. 16 miles an hour. We're mostly downhill at this point. We are totally hitting a headwind. Almost swallowed a bug. I better keep my mouth closed. Kipling. We are at 17 miles. Still got 3 bars on the battery. I like that little walking trail they made there. Heads up, bicycle. Your left. Your left. Oh, my wrists are getting a little sore. I'm just coasting right now. I'm a little tired. So we are pulling up on Stonegate Park. If I remember right, that was 11 miles. We're at 18 right now. That would take us to 29. So stick around, see if I make it home, see if I'm not pushing the last 2 miles. On your left. Battery. Pedal assist level 3. I tell you what, I am grateful for these padded biker shorts right now. So before we do that trip into Morrison, I'm gonna have to completely charge the battery. As I said, I shortchanged myself this morning. The plan was to start up, and I totally forgot. But some of my other rides, I plan on doing a little short one up to Ruby Hill. Review the bike park, aka the rail yard. For those of you that don't know, well, and then Levitt's Pavilion, and then they have the 4 pavilions on top, which used to be the Circle. But as I started to say, most people don't know that Ruby Hill was a landfill up until 1968. And this was before the Environmental Protection Agency. And a lot of Denver parks were once landfills, and they didn't properly encapsulate them. They buried them under 2 feet of compacted clay, some topsoil, and some sod. Heads up on your left. Thank you. As soon as I get out of this traffic, I'll finish my story. So in 2021, April of 2021, we had a polar vortex dumped 36 inches of snow in 2 days. Well, the residents of Denver went crazy. They went up to Ruby Hill, drove their four-wheel drives up on the top of the hill. Now, of course, back in the day, before they encapsulated it and put sod, that was a neighborhood four-wheel drive hill. I've been up and down that hill a million times, not realizing you're kicking up toxic waste into the air. And so anyway, when they went up there in their four-wheel drives, they tore up the encapsulated area, and the city didn't have $100,000 to do the repairs. So Ruby Hill is a toxic landfill that is just leaching into the Platte River down below. And you wonder why I don't swim in any of our waterways anymore. So that's my next trip to Ruby Hill. So if you want to see that, make sure you hit that notification. This bike is amazing. I'm still at 3 battery bars. So, battery died on me. Couldn't record my final segment. Camera battery died. The bike battery, well, I had 1 bar left coming up the hill towards where I live. And yeah, that was a struggle. I had to gear down almost to granny gear, and I was pushing it up that hill. But I did say on several occasions that I didn't completely charge that battery. So I am going to do another test run. This time make sure that it's completely charged. So hey, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Rich rides the Rockies. Remember to hit that subscribe button. I'm on my way to 100,000 subscribers, 1 subscriber at a time. Leave a comment. Tell me which one of my AI generated videos you'd like me to redo. And hit that notification bell so you catch my next e-bike adventure. Once again, thanks for watching. Rich, peace out.